promoting a physically healthy, mentally strong, and socially developed society. 2002 again, bestowed with the Albert Schweitzer Award by Positive Life Foundation in appreciation of his exemplary humanism, untiring peace activism, and profound compassion. Bestowed with the Physician of the New Millennium Award by the Alternative Medicine Research Institute of Canada in recognition of his significant contribution to the health and well-being of humanity. 2002 again, appointed as Senior Visiting Professor by the Open International University for Alternative Medicine in view of his vast experience and expertise in the field of natural healing, acupuncture, and genotherapy. Inducted as a fellow member of World Health, Environment, and Peace Foundation through the Certificate of Commendation from this foundation. 2005, selected as the winner of the 3rd Asia Pacific International Honesty Enterprise, the Keris Award 2004. Bestowed with the Golden Earth Award by the International Institute of Health Sciences for his contribution to humanity by taking care of the Mother Nature. And finally, in 2005, conferred with the honorary Datak Setia Diraja Kedah DSDK Award in conjunction with the 77th birthday of His Royal Highness, the Sultan of Kedah, the much coveted civilian award bestowed to any citizen of Malaysia. Thus, he was entitled to use the title Dato Dr. Lim Seo Jin. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dato Dr. Lim Seo Jin to the stage with a big round of applause. Welcome.
So, good morning. So, I'm very happy to meet all of you again in Dubai. Now, Dubai is almost like my second hometown because I always transit through this city, you know. Yeah. So, very good morning again to all of you. Yeah. So, today, we will spend some time, okay, to talking about our mushroom. So basically, DXN is a mushroom company, okay? So some of you maybe it's the first time you're coming for this kind of meeting, and many of you very familiar, okay, with the subject. You see, I have been traveling throughout the world, no, in so many countries, okay? Now, when I traveling throughout the world, there is always one question in my mind. Are people happy? Are they happy or not? Okay. And unfortunately, nowadays, it's very difficult to meet happy people, no? Most of the people, they're not happy now. They are not happy with everything. They are not happy with the social system. They are not happy with the family. They are not happy with the work, okay? Especially when you talk with the taxi driver, no? None of them are happy. Yeah, there's a lot of complaint. Okay. Now, my question is, why should people are not happy? Okay. Why people are not happy? So many people they say that people are not happy because nowadays our society are very stressful. Okay, the working environment are very stressful. Okay, so our workload is a lot. That's why people are not happy. Is that true? Yes. Actually, that is not true, no. Okay, last time we had to use typewriter to type the report. Okay, if there's anything wrong in the typing, you know, you have to retype everything again. And today we have computer, you know, okay, type anything wrong, we can change on the spot. So actually, the ease of working become more. Okay, now last time if you want to make a telephone call, then you have to go to a telephone station. No, now the telephone station almost out of business. Now everybody is having handphone. Okay, so we are more convenient, you know. The working also become more convenient. Okay, so this is not the working environment should not be a factor of making people not happy. Okay, this is not the main reason. Okay, but why people are not happy? Okay, then maybe people say, oh, the income is not enough. Recently I went to London, you know. There's a big debate in the London newspaper. They say that 40% of the Londoners are below poverty line, you know, because they cannot meet their demands of the living. So in London, there is a lot of poor people. But the income is a lot, you know. They're still making a few £1,000 a month. Why they are poor people? Because the expenditures are more than the earning. You may earn 100,000 dirham a month. If you spend 100,001 dirham, you are a poor man. Am I right? So nowadays there's a lot of poor men. Okay, so people say that economical constraint making people not happy. But I still feel that that is not the main reason. Because when we are small, we look at our life 20 or 30 years ago, we are very poor at the time, you know, compared to this time. Now people are more affluent. So that is not the main problem why people are not happy. Okay, now, I have been go to the rich nation, okay, like in Europe, people are not happy. Okay, yesterday, I'm coming from Africa, people are not happy. Yeah, this thing. So that a rich nation are not happy, a poor nation are not happy. So you come to Malaysia, middle range. Nowadays, many people are also not too happy. So why is it so? Okay, this is the subject, you know, of today's talking about happiness. We need to talk about happiness. Okay. 16 years ago, when I started this business, I remember very well. That times, depressions in the society, you know, it's out of 11 person, 1 person is suffering from depression. I mean, they are not happy. Okay, they always feel stressful, you know. Okay, a person when he is depressed, he will get angry without reason. He will get worried without reason. In the morning, wake up, he is not feeling well without any reason. Then this is depression. Okay, last time is 11 people, 1 people is having depression. How about today? Today the society are more advanced. We have computer, you know? Okay, we have handphone. Okay, so we don't need to go to cinema. We put a CD. Nowadays, not even the CD. You know, nowadays from YouTube, from this thing, you can download a lot of program now. Are people become more happy? No, people are not become more happy. Now the ratio is 4:1. I mean, out of 4 people, 1 person are depressed. They are not happy. Okay. So it cannot be due to the working environment. Okay, it has nothing to do with the income. Nowadays people have income compared to 16 years ago. The income today is already double and triple, no? The per capita income. So that is not the reason. So the main reason, you know, okay, the main reason is that people are not happy because they have forgetting one thing. One very important factor, you know. Okay, our well-being of the body and well-being of the mind are the same. Okay, if you have a healthy body, you have a healthy mind. If you have a healthy mind, you have a healthy body.